Hi again. After a long time, I'm in video. Today, I'm walking through my university campus, and my campus has awesome, natural, beautiful places. Today, I found some special plant in German forest. I would like to show those plants in my video. Just come with me. I'll show you. Look, we can see some white flower plants. This is like a walking railing, and if I go there I will arrive to my campus, but my purpose is showing those white flower plants. These plants flowers have like some special smell. If I explain, you will understand. Let me explain. I will forward a bit more, then I will show you those plants from a bit more closer. I'm forwarding on this way. I'll go more closer to those places where I can find more special this kind of plants. Just go with me. Just come with me, I will show you more. It looks like a small hut, a wooden hut. Come with me, I will show you more. So just look, it's like a kingdom of white flowers. Just look, thousands of flowers, and I'm having really strong smells. I will explain why I'm having those strong smells. It looks like really amazing. So my phone camera is not good one. Maybe it's more nicer than the in reality. Wow. Can you look? Can you look? And it's like hill. It's just part of my university, and this road belongs to my university campus. And if we cross this canal, I mean the lake, it will be part of the city authority. Look. Awesome. I target one bird, but it's laughing. It's free well. Just look and come with me. I will show you more. It's like a kingdom of wildflowers. Actually, in a spring in Germany, there are thousands of wildflowers. They grow in the forest, and people don't extract. There are not much people in German forest, so they grow up without any burden or without any excess extraction. That's why their forest is more beautiful, more nicer, especially in spring and spring and summer. It's like our tea garden in Bangladesh. There are bigger plants, and below the plants, those plants, and there are undergrowth like those white flower plants. Okay, let me show those plants from more closer. Look, these flowers looks like onion flowers, and these leaves are green, and these leaves have some specialty, like it has different special smell as like garlic. So this plant is like wild garlic. In German language it called Knoblauch, is like a garlic, but this plant has some different German name, I don't know. Yes, it's a wild garlic, and people can eat those leaves with as like vegetable salad, and making some pesto, and with some sandwich, and yes, I saw some videos. People use those leaves in different type of recipes. So it was really amazing, and I already try how it tastes. Is really awesome. I liked with my bread keze. Yeah, it was really tasty. So it's like tea garden in our country. There are big crown plants, and underwater like small plants with some white plants flowers.